Okay, this is Jamin with a tablet for the dishwasher, as you can see. Um, yeah, this is going to be really gross because he's going to put it in his mouth or drop and bust it open and then waste it. Well, either way it's a waste, but it's going to be fun. And there he goes. Do those dissolve pretty quickly there, Jamin?
No.
No?
Bite hard.
Don't bite. Don't bite. Don't bite. We want it to dissolve. How about a glass of water?
Okay.
Cameron, will you get him a glass of water, please? How's it taste?
Well. Not good at all.
I don't understand a thing you said. I think I'm gonna stand over here. Hey, Jamin. Tastes good?
No.
What's it taste like?
No.
What was that?
Soap.
Tastes like soap?
Oh, yeah.
It's gonna take a while to get that taste out of your mouth.
Yeah, it is.
You want a soda?
Ugh.
That's hot water.
Are you still taping? It's pretty much over. It's gross. It's done. It's out. Not good.
Not good tasting?
No. I still got like grit in between my teeth.
Any final thoughts for the camera?
I just washed my mouth out with soap.
And you didn't even get in trouble for it. Yeah, I mean.
He willingly did it.
Alright, Jan, final thoughts. Should kids do this at home?
No, they shouldn't. And parents should not do it to their kids either. Ugh. I'm done.
You sure?
Yeah.
You want to try another one?
No.